Oh, honey. You're showing off your new outfit.
March 6th. Rachel just got done with her first boxing match. She's relaxing in her new robe.
Oh, okay.
Okay, it was a bath.
Okay.
It was a bath.
Okay.
She's tired.
Alright. She wants to go to sleep. Okay. We love you.
Honey. Rachel.
It's a tired baby. Why do I have to?
Hi, Punky.
Can I have a kiss? Rachel, can I have a kiss even though you're upset? Rachel, can I have a kiss? Oh, thank you.
Oh, good baby, good baby.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry.
The eye rub.
Okay.
The eye rub is the big indicator she's exhausted.
All right. There's only a few seconds left in your minute. You don't have to be so upset.
That's true. I think we can say goodbye now.
There, one more time. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Oh.